So when it asks for the relative molecular mass, it's the same as the relative atomic mass, but it's the mass of an entire molecule. Relative atomic mass is going to be this top number on all of these. So the relative atomic mass of helium is 4, the relative atomic mass of neon is 20, fluorine is 19, and so on. The relative molecular mass would be the mass of the entire molecule. So hydrogen, the relative atomic mass is 1, but in a molecule of hydrogen, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. So the relative molecular mass of hydrogen would be 2, because it's 2 times, And neon actually goes around as singular atoms. So the relative molecular mass of neon is the same as its relative atomic mass, which is 20. Okay. When we get to something like this one, NH3, which is ammonia, then you're going to add the mass of nitrogen to 3 times the mass of hydrogen. Let's just briefly draw what these elements look like. I'm going to say that's a nitrogen atom, and then we'll give that one a hydrogen. Make that. Whoops. Maybe make it a capital H as well. There's my hydrogen atom. And an ammonia molecule would be made up of, would be like that, right? So the mass of the ammonia molecule would be the mass of one nitrogen atom plus 3 times the mass of a hydrogen atom. So the mass of a nitrogen atom is 14, and the mass of hydrogen is 1, so it's going to be 14 plus 3, so 17. So that's the molar mass. Oh, it's the molecular mass of ammonia, but the molar mass would also be 17, but you would say 17 grams, because the molar mass means what is the mass of 1 mole, okay? So let's just write that down. Molar mass means the mass in grams of 1 mole, okay? And the way it is usually, well, the unit for molar mass would be grams per mole, of course. Okay. MOL is the unit from, it is the way that we abbreviate the word mole. So it's one of the only units where they haven't really abbreviated very much. They've just removed the E at the end. Well, that is the unit. Whereas gram, they've removed the whole word apart from the letter G. So, okay, all right, I'll stop that video there then.